we got some more stuff from Boost Auto. This is going to be an awesome video, so stick around and check it out. But let's get over there and show you what they sent. All right, there's the box. A lot of people like to see the box. I don't know why. Let me see. I don't think it actually says what's in it. So let me get this box open and show you. All right, as you can see, these are tow mirrors. This mirror, this whole thing lifts up like that. I'll show you that in a minute, or maybe after I install it. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the door panel off. You got to take this little panel here out. Just use like a 90-degree pick, and you got one down here you got to take out. And there should be two 10mm bolts here and one in here. So let's get to it. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see with me being in the way. That's out. Let's see if this one will come out any easier. Yes, it does. All right, let's see. Got my magnetic socket. Don't know if these are the same size or not, so it looks like they are, maybe. Magnet seems to be strong when it wants to be. All right, now we got to take something and get this out. You want to pry it from the back first. And don't hit the door lock and lock yourself out. Or unplug it. Set it to the side. Now, there should just be tabs that hold this in. Okay, as you can see, I got the door panel off. You got to be careful with these push pins that goes in here that holds the door panel on, or helps hold it on. There's a black piece that goes around here. As you can see, two of the little push tabs there that holds that black piece goes all the way around the door window. They broke. One over here on this side broke. It's only supposed to have one on this side and one on this side, but this truck has two on each side. So now I need to take off these two nuts and these two bolts. But first, I got to follow this wiring harness around, take it out of the door where the clips are at, and then unplug it so I can take the mirror off. And man, that thing is sticky. The wiring harness. Man, why is it so sticky? It's so bright out here, I can't hardly see what I'm doing either. I hope you can see what I'm doing, because I sure can't. What the heck? Okay, got them all off. Looks like a black one, connector, and a white connector. And they just have, I don't know if you can see this, hopefully, a little pin in there that you push down. Now I can take the door off, or the mirror off rather, the door. And we don't want to do that, do we? Now it looks like I might need a deep for the other two. Let's see. Yep, gotta have a deep. Luckily, I brought one out. And it is also magnetic, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is go around here Well, you can probably hold it up by the mirror maybe. Let me go around here and do it. Might have a push tab that holds this in. Yep, it appears so. Thought it was this, but I don't know. Now let's see if I can get this wire ran out of here from this side. One factory mirror removed. Let me go get the other one. I just ran the wires in, tighten these up. Like you have to, when you put the mirror through, you got to hold it because it's a lot heavier than the factory mirror. And it doesn't have a clip that holds it on. So when you put it in here, you got to make sure you have one of the nuts in your hand so you can reach through and put it on so the mirror don't fall back out. And then you just run the wires and clip them in the spots where the factory wires was. Hopefully you can see that. And then you just plug them in back into the factory spots. That was the white one. That was the black one. Now this one, if I had running lights, would plug into here, but I don't. There is no pins in there, so I'm supposed to have a harness that plugs into here that you run through here and then to the dash and tap into the fuse box. One thing I forgot to mention is on this cable, I don't know if you can see right there, it sticks through. You got to take a pair of needle nose pliers or something on the, on the door panel, squeeze this in and pull out on it to take it off of the holder. And then, you just turn it and lift it up to take the cable out of the door handle. Nothing to it. Easy peasy. Now let's go around here and look at this tow mirror. Let me see if I can shut the door. Nothing's in the way, I don't think. This, and it's also supposed to be defrost over here. I'm not sure if it is. This one is marked. This one is not. It's supposed to be, though. That's the tow mirror. Sticks up like that. And of course it power folds too. It has a light. I guess you can see that. I can't even see the light on it right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty neato. All right, I got the orange wire. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. I got it just with a quick connect right there. That way I can unhook it if I need to without having to run the wire all the way out or cut it and have a live wire. Just got it ran up to right here. It ran through here. It says you got to poke a hole with a pick and run it out right here. So that's what I did. Now I got to take the, let's see. You can't really see it over there, can you? But anyway, I got to take the boot inside that goes from the door to the cabin. I got to take that loose and run the wire through. So let me do that, then I'll come back and show you. After you run the wire through here, you put this back in and run it out this side over here, take this out. And then you got to use a coat hanger and run it through, a straightened out coat hanger and run it through this boot. You see the orange wire? Then there's a center cavity through this connector. You got to take the connector loose. There's a clip at one at the top and two at the bottom. You just poke them with a pick and it comes out. Anyway, you run the orange wire through the center cavity and then obviously run it through the hole in the body. And it magically comes out down here. Not really, you got to reach down there and pull it out. But anyway, let me get all this put back together and then we'll go to the other side and start on it. Okay, as you can see, I already got the door panel off. Got the mirror, the old mirror off, new mirror on. Just got to cut the wires. There's just got tape around them so they can ship them. But just got to run the wires now. And let's see, can you see that? Plug in down here to the door module. And then just like the other side, I'm gonna have to cut this, run a wire through here and all this here, all the way over there to have running lights. That way, the running lights is on, they're white. They're white, and I don't know if you can see me or not. The running lights are white, and then when you turn the turn signal on, it flashes amber. And then when you turn the turn signals off, it goes back to white, just like the steps. That's awesome. So let me get some more of this stuff done. All right, I'm over here on the passenger side trying to run the wire through the boot. There we go. Coat hanger. Now, all you do is you can see on this side. Let me get the camera down. You can see on this side a little bit better because there's not as many wires. You see that cavity in there? See my finger back there in the back? Right through there. You just stick the wire through there. All right, we're back out here at night, fixing to show you how these mirrors work. All right, as you can see, the running light's on. Now the turn signal's on. That is awesome. And they both go back to white. Now let's walk over here to this side. This side is the running lights. And there's the turn signals. That is freaking awesome. And they go back to white. Now let me show you what they look like with them set to tow mirrors. Well, it's a little dark, you can't really see, but there they are in the up position. I guess you can see it now. That is awesome. They go back to white. That light on there is pretty bright. Cool. The one thing I will say is I don't know if this is heated. It is supposed to be. Don't say it's heated like the other one, the other glass does, but there's that one up. Pretty freaking awesome. That is sweet. Thank you very much, Boost Auto. And they are power fold. See that? Just wanted to show you that option. See, they're folded in. That is awesome. Sweet. Also, I forgot to mention, if you want to get the tow mirrors or the steps, I'll have you a link down there in the description, and I'll also add the link for the tow mirrors in the description of the step video as well. And if you want to pick them up, use the link. I would appreciate it. I don't earn any money. If you do, I appreciate it. So again, thank you very much. Okay, well, I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I did not pay for them. They sent them to me, or the mirrors, the tow mirrors. Thank you very much, Boost Auto. I love them. They are awesome. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.